my name is Cosma. Welcome back to an episode 3 of Death's Door. Last episode took a little too long. Let's hope this one doesn't. Other than that, I don't remember. Okay, I do remember. We were talking about this spoon being Pothead's little sword thingy. Damn, that pushed me back. So I'm guessing the witch took him, her grandson. Nothing. Okay. You can never trust Potsies in this game. Forward, ball. Forward. Huh? What happened? What do I do here? Huh. That's cool. There we go. A seed? Oh, there we go. Alright. Another ball. Let's go. She has a whole factory in the bottom. Oh, this is her research lab. No wonder it has a little gooey green thing. That one's huge. It's a whole monster in there. No wonder. Of course, I just lost some health. I am so lost. Is that another way to go? No. Are we doing another puzzle? This looks like the right way. Wait. Anything here? I don't think so. Nothing other than a seat. This place has given me so many seats. There you are. Oh. I don't think so. He took him with him. She took him with him. Damn, I broke it. Ooh, finally. A way to go back. I'm guessing the enemies are gonna start popping out now, huh? Gotta make this factory run. What did I say? Ooh, you explode? No. I don't want to know whether he does. Oh, that's it. What the fuck? Aren't you supposed to be on my side? Oh, there were birds that are on her side, I guess. hit me? Oh, he can kill them from me. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Damn it, it's always on the other side. Come on. What you doing? Just dancing? Oh, you were just scared? Okay. No. No way. Need to go this way. Yeah. That way. Around. Forgot about them. This way. Up. Right here. God damn it. Should have killed that guy. Wait, I could have just put a seed there. Yeah, make him go back and forth. I'm gonna kill this guy. This is the annoying one. Oh, you do hit, you son of a... Why were you doing your little dance last time? Fuck. Do a lot of damage to you guys? I don't know. There we go. Simple as that. I'm not gonna put it there. I hate you guys so much. Oh. God damn it. I can, like, risk killing them like that. Where will this go? Huh. Extra seed, because why not? This place really is long. What about that? No. Better's just gonna be thanking me like, thank you for letting my for putting my factory to start working again or some shit like that, because I'm doing all the work. Right, little one, come here. There we go. God damn it. This one is the easiest one. No, god damn it. How about fireball? You would think it would do more damage, but it doesn't. I'm almost dead already. Hopefully there's a little what's that called? A little place to put the seed in. Oh wow. Alright. But they pushed the thing to the other. Oh, okay. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. We go to the pot that we saw not too long ago. What the hell is this? Oh, nothing. I believe it's the other way, but I need health. Closest health I can think of is this one. Wow, I could have just gone the other way. Okay. Wait, this is still not working? Why is there a door there? Where am I supposed to go though? Oh. Woo! Oh my god, it's him again. How is that? Is there another shooter? No. Huh? What's going on here? Hey, it's you guys. Dumbass. I mean, they try. Nothing. That didn't hit me, right? Okay. Keep it. I don't want it. Just in case, you never know. Camera really zoomed out. Yep. All right, I got this. Easy. Where to go from here? Go. You're an asshole, you know that? How are you gonna betray us like that? Ah, I hate you so much. Oh my god, I lost the health. No, no, no. Come this way. Yeah, thank you. No! Now I gotta go back, hit some buttons. Woo! Hit some pots. Ah, wait. He almost got me there. Come on. Oh my god, man. Oh, fuck off. Me being with 1 health. It's not making this easy. Come on. I got this time. There we go. Let's go. What the hell's that? No way. Oh my god. How many times have I died in this episode? Like 2, 3? I'll say 3. I haven't kept count. Okay. Okay, then they're not big enemies, so they also respawn. Mind them. No, no, get out of my way. No. What? I can't move. Why can't I move? What happened? Hello? What's going on? They're just killing themselves at this point. Why can't I move? What is this glitch? Alright, so we're back here. I had to restart the whole game because I couldn't even press start. I couldn't go to settings. Nothing. It just froze. So we're back here, and hopefully, yeah, these are taken care of. That one's taken care of. And that one's taken care of. I can go straight to kill that dumbass that's trying to fucking kill me. Hey, I got unfinished business with you. Where the hell do you think you're going? You still shooting at me even though? That? Ooh. I gotta remember that tank also explodes. Why am I here then? Little ones also do the same thing. What the hell? Ah, that shouldn't have hit me. Yet again, I need help. Oh, perfect. I'm just glad I don't lose souls. I have to pick them out like Dark Souls. Oh, I see what I gotta do. Christ, man. Oh, it was right there, too. There's too many enemies. Oh no, it's not. I just gotta go through here, huh? Ah, there's a little health thing right there. Ooh, thank you very much. How many souls do I got? 300, not even enough. Boss, that's the way she looks back. Yeah, I'm here again. Ooh, wait a second. You little shit and everything? God damn, wait a second. Fellows never do what they're told. I'm trying to save lives here. Don't you understand? Devs cannot be those who have master life force within and earn. Yeah, but how come you only got a head one and not a fucking whole pot like your grandson? For the Green Reaper himself. So I'm not the Green Reaper, I'm just a Reaper. You and I have something in common, little crow. The same employer. But goodness, same employer? My boss is up to this? I'll put your ashes to a lovely learn. No, thank you, I'm good. Which grandma? You're gonna be like that, huh? I can just throw that at her. Yeah, that one explodes. That one does that. And then I'll make it follow me. And here you go. Oh, you do that little fucking dance shit. What in the world? That one, okay. There you go. Music is awesome. Kinda like, guess where the fuck I was going. God damn it. Perfect timing to header. Now run. Yeah, this is not good to get close to. Whoa. Got more to fucking send to you. Alright, well, you're going to up here. There you are. There you go. Just gotta stay calm. Alright, let's run. Let's wait for her to do her rotating thing. And now. I think if I stand here, it won't do anything to me, right? Yeah, exactly. There we go. What's she doing it so far? Don't take them out. I need them for you. Alright, she's gonna appear up. Ah, that didn't even hit her. Ah, that was not to be expected. Come on, I need you this way. Farther away, the better. more comfortable when I don't have to. Ah! Woo! No, no, I don't feel that comfortable with this too, guys. No. All right. We're good. We're good. It's almost dead, I think. I hope. No. No. Glad I fucking appear here, but I know exactly what to do. Let's get that away from me. Alright, there you go. Oh, she doesn't hit me with that little dance thing. As much damage as I can. As much damage as I can. There we go. Let's go. Right you in the corner. Come on, follow me. There you go. Good. Really? I don't know where you throw it so far, but... Damn, already? Second stage? Hey, you took 2 down. Take this one at least. Alright, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There we go. No, I need that. God damn it. There we go. Big damage, big damage. Come on. Right here in the corner. There you go. Should be okay right here. Not taking no risk. If I can't do it, I can't do it. Ah, that's exactly what I didn't want it to happen. Alright, where's she at? What? Nobody saw that coming. Nobody. Oh, I do lose souls. God damn it. Doing a lot more damage now. There we go. Just in the corner. Sure it doesn't hit me. Where's she at? Too. Gotta say, that urn on your head is fucking useful at this point, but annoying. There you go. I don't know why she usually throws that one far, but I'm not complaining. This one did. God damn it, lady. Number 2. Oh, okay. It was that easy and it took me forever. Is this one of the giant souls that was spoke of in the beginning of the game? Sent home grave. We gather here today to mourn the passing of a woman known by many names. The witch earns, the ceramic sorceress, etherware enchantress, and Kakari. Okay. And of course, Grandma. Driven by her material instincts and consumed by her endeavors to outwit death, she filled her life with a passion for magic, reanimation, and potions. And pots. Her journey is concluded and she is now at peace. Bow your heads in remembrance. Pay your last respects. I hated her. Her time in this world is over. Ooh, she gave me a whole 300? I don't hate her that much no more. I suppose I will never be rid of this pot for my head. So I hope she finds peace beyond life. She can finally be reunited with Grandpa. Grandpa. Slip of a tongue there, yeah. Seriously though, rest in peace, Gran. How about you? I'm supposed to kill you, right? She lived. Alright. Yeah. Can't do anything to you now. How about you? Huh. And that was that. Now what? I don't want to roam this fucking place, so... Where in the world am I at? Who are you? That's my boss, isn't it? The Lord of Doors. Yep. World's best lord. Mm-hmm. How exactly did you get in here? What's the point of having a command? Having command over all the doors in this world if my servants never remember to lock them. So why are you here? I haven't actually met a crow in many years. You still have those beaks. No shit. Okay, nice. Since a vast amount of souls about you, little crow. Strange, you feel oddly familiar to me. Oh, is that why you're here? You come seeking a reward? Not really, but if you have one, I will not say no. Get the fuck out of here. Be a good little bird and turn them into the vault. There's no need to bring souls directly to me. I have more important matters to attend to. Ciao. Oh, okay. Just like that. Death's door. Just like the... Okay, what are you doing here? Did you find your assignment yet? Wait. You have a giant soul. But it's the wrong one. I can't process that. How did you manage that? Never mind. Get back out there and find your assigned soul. I am here to get... Jesus, to get number 3 is that much. What's this? Greater base space, speed, faster dodges, and less cooldown between dodges. I think I'm okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just save some souls to 800, get more melee, and I can do more damage. Now what? I'm guessing I go somewhere around. No, not the ceramic manor, not the witch. Inner furnace. Still the urn witch. Nope. Gotta go somewhere more where the old guy, Big Bird, is. Have a door here? Guess not.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till till I'm on top.